few videos ago, I made a tutorial on how to make the cut paper effect with this cute mushroom theme, and I had a request to slow down and show step by step how to layer the mushroom to make the cut paper effect. So I'm going to slow down and show you step by step how to make this cut out mushroom. First, you start by drawing out your mushroom, and you can do that in 2 steps, drawing the stem first and then the cap to your mushroom second, in 2 separate layers. Creating this type of mushroom with the shadow, making it look like the paper's kind of thick, and with the main paper texture, I've copied both the stem and the cap to the mushroom 3 times so that I can create that effect. With the bottommost layer, I turn on my alpha lock so I can fill it with black, and I do the same thing for the bottommost layer of the mushroom cap too. Once the stem is black and the cap is black, I turn off that alpha lock so that I can add a Gaussian blur. I go to Adjustments, Gaussian Blur, and then drag my Apple Pencil across the screen to about 17%, and I repeat that for the black layer of the mushroom cap as well. And before I start making this look like real paper, first I'm going to add a little bit of shadow to the cap and to the stem. And now that's done, I can start moving these elements so that they start looking like real cut paper. First, I just select the black layers and I move them down to the bottom right. And then I take that second layer of just the plain mushroom and I move that to the top left. And now it looks like the paper is kind of thick. And now for the fun part, adding the paper texture, I just choose one of my paper texture brushes, add a new layer above the top layer of the mushroom cap and stem, and turn on a clipping mask and use the brush to add the paper texture. And now it looks like cut paper. And of course, you'll want to add a little bit of paper texture to your background so the whole thing looks like a fun cut paper project. To create the entire project, you can watch the full tutorial by clicking on the link in the screen and follow along to complete it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to watch more videos like this one, hit that subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye!